This is the Skoda Fabia MK3. If you need some fuses, you need to find some fuses in this car. There are two fuse boxes. The first one is near the battery in the engine compartment, and it's very easy to access. You just need to move this plastic lock like this and unlock the lid. And then there are two locks that you don't need to do anything. It just comes out, and here is the lock. Unfortunately, you don't have a fuse map here, so you'll need to find an online source or maybe look in your owner's manual. So here are the fuses, and also here you have the power fuses, the big fuses that send power from the battery to the majority of important systems like power steering and all the things. They're also in the fuse maps online, you can find them. To insert this lead back, you'll first need to move these two plastic tongues in their position here. Press them firmly to let them sit in the position, and then just lock it. And it locks this plastic thing, locks it in the place. That's all. And then there is a second fuse box in the interior of the car. It's located here behind this plastic lid. So what you need to do, here are some places you can insert your fingers and just take this plastic lid out, and here are the fuses, the majority of fuses actually. Well, also, as you see, there are no fuse maps here, but what you have here is the tool to take the fuses out. So you can just take any fuse out using this tool.